Hello guys, how's it going? Alex Grumpy here. I hope you're well. Today we've got a lovely Golf R Mark 7 here, and we're going to be replacing the badges, the rear and front one. So as you can see, I got the new badges here already, and you can get them following the link below as well. There's loads of stuff that you can get from the website, and you also got my discount code as well, which is 10% off. It's pretty good, does help. So yeah, I'm going to show you today how to replace them. They only clip on, but obviously you have to remove the original ones, and it's a little bit of a pain. All you're going to need is a pick tool, mainly for the rear one, and a couple of plastic trim tools as well, as you can see there. And like I said, the rear one is a bit more of a pain. The front one is easier to get off. There's only plastic clips that hold it on. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe, like the video and comment below, and let's get on with it. Right, so I'll start with the rear one, which is the harder one. And to do this one, you can open the boot or you can just do it while it's here. So there's a little cut there. They can get the pick tool in, or a tiny screwdriver, and just lift it up a little bit, and you'll hear it popping. It is a bit of a pain. Once it pops a little bit, you need to try and get the trim tool in there. There you go. So just start getting it in there and start working your way around it. It is a pain because the plastic is quite tough on it, but that's obviously the best way of doing it. Well, so far there might be a better way, but that's the best way that I've found so far to do them. So just work your way around and make sure you're using the plastic tools so you can get it in there. Right, so here we are. That was a bit of a pain, to be honest. The clips are really strong on that. There you go guys, so that's on there now. Obviously lift it up, make sure it's sitting evenly with all the plastic, the original plastic around there. So it's nice and even. Make sure it's all clipped in. You might have to hit it up a little bit, it will help. But yeah, that's on there now and it's looking really good. So to get the front badge off, you have to get the screwdriver in there and be careful not to scratch anything. Just lift it up a little bit to start it up and get the plastic tool under there. Once one is in there, use the other one to work your way around. There you go. And that's that off. So obviously now we have to clean that up and we're ready to fit the new one on. Right, so fit the new one on, just check all the clips are on there. Just align it on there. It only goes in one way, and push it on. Like I said, if you want, you can warm it up to make it easier going on. And just do it nice and gentle, push them all in until it goes all even, and job done guys. Right guys, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's nice and easy. You just need a couple of tools, and yeah, the old badges are off. Make sure the new ones are on there evenly, give them a bit of a polish I suppose, and that's it. So like I said, the discount code will be in the description below, and the link will be there as well. There's plenty of other stuff on that website, so check it out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.